This quick tutorial will help you turn it off completely. Let's get started. First, click on the Widgets icon from your taskbar to open the panel. At the top right of the news feed, click on the Settings icon. Now scroll down a little and choose Show or Hide Feeds. Next, click on the feed switch to turn it off. A small pop-up will appear, just select Turn Off. And that's it. As you can see, when you open the Widgets panel again, the MSN newsfeed is no longer showing. If you want to remove other widgets too, simply click on the three dots at the top of any widget and choose Hide Widget. This will clean up your widgets panel even more. Finally, if you want to remove the widgets panel completely from your screen, just right-click on the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings, and then turn Widgets off from the list. Now the icon and the entire Widgets panel are gone from your taskbar.